Hi, I'm Patricia Werner. I was on the faculty at Michigan State for 14 years, and it was Department of Botany and Plant Biology at the time, but I was resident at the Kellogg Biological Station, and I was the first terrestrial ecologist on faculty there, and I also happened to be the first female faculty member there. There were almost 40 men and me. I have lots of funny stories. Ecology is the biology side of environmental studies. And I've always been interested in biology. My mother was a nurse. I grew up in the country. I always liked plants and animals, and I had a fantastic high school biology teacher. Teachers are critical. Ultimately, I went into ecology because I took a class, and it was big, messy science. And I loved it, trying to find a pattern among a lot of complexity in biology. I took that before the first Earth Day, so nobody knew what ecology was, really. I went to Michigan State for my master's degree first, and then Ph.D. I had fantastic training, and I was able to combine what I got from zoology, population models, and my botany training. Therefore, I was one of the first people to do population ecology, population models of plants, and that's how I made my first mark. That work has been very well cited. But the second part was interdisciplinarity, and I had the opportunity to work interdisciplinarily on a great big large project that was the problem-based orientation. So we learned how to bring our disciplines together and interact with each other. I wanted students to actually experience the field, not just the communities of plants and animals, but mechanisms, how we get certain plants and animals, the distribution and the abundance, meaning predation, competition. And about the only way you can understand those is to actually do experiments. You remove certain organisms or you add them or whatever, well, that means you got to do it in the field. I'm an honorary professor at the Australian National University. I'm just coming out now, the first population model of trees in savanna in Australia. It took 25 years worth of data to do that. So that's the discipline side. The other side is working on sustainability in Kakadu National Park, where fires occur 2 out of 3 years. 95% of those are set by humans. And how can the trees continue to exist? So we've done some sustainability. So again, those two lines, strong in discipline and interdisciplinarity around a problem.